Conclusions. The findings of the study proposed that people with AS or HFA have a cognitive deficit which does not allow them to process information using the theory of the mind, so that they may identify emotions in other individuals. This lack of the theory of mind is strongly linked to autism spectrum disorders. Evidence suggested that there was a difference of sex between males and females in the comparison groups, with men showing more tendency of autistic traits and performing worse on the ice chest than females. However, some of these differences were insignificant and unsubstantiated, so further research would be needed to clarify if there were any differences between sexes and their AQ scores. It is obvious that the revised version of the ICE test utilized in the study was a more acute and sensitive measure of adult social intelligence than previously used in studies. If there are future studies on adult social intelligence, participant variables may exist, but in a more constructive way. The correlation between IQ score, AQ score, and ICE test scores was computed. When the groups were combined, there was no correlation between the IQ measure and ICE test or between the IQ or the AQ. There was a relationship of inverse proportion discovered between the ICE test and the AQ measure. This was accurate for all three groups. Report measures were employed. A relationship of inverse correlation was also found in the student group, where the ICE test was inversely correlated with the social skills category in the communication category.